Okay, so we're at a place right now where you've sat through a lot of these tutorials, so I'm not going to do like all the elaborate explanation that I did before. I'm just going to kind of get to it and skip all the chatter and go for efficiency. I'll come up with something equally annoying. Maybe I'll chew gum. Maybe I'll chew gum instead of chattering at you. Okay, so the database we're looking at is IEL slash IEEExplore. I almost forgot the name of the database. Here it is. It's all full text. And I'm going to do a really quick compare contrast search for you. So I could do a basic search. Look it's a new search term for nuclear power from this database. It has almost 3 million documents, and it's going to give me lots of results, 66,900 results. That's way too many, right? So I'm going to show you how to use the advanced search. Every database has a basic search and an advanced search. So let's make our search a little more sophisticated, searching not just the metadata, but the full text of all of the articles, since it's a full text database. And I'm going to put my term in quotes. You remember this from the last database. And I'm also going to add a term. This time I'm going to look at the sustainability of nuclear power, because that's the theme for our research project. So notice the little asterisk that I put at the end of sustain. So that tells the database to look at words that have this at the beginning and then whatever different word endings. So it's kind of a nice trick. I'm going to scroll down to publication range, and this database goes from 1872 to the present. So I'm going to tighten up the timeline a bit, 2009 to the present, and we have a reduction from 66,000 results to 235 results. So that's really good. So a few more refinement techniques. You can restrict to different types of documents. Like if you don't want to look at books, don't look at books. Just say, I want to look at journal articles instead. So it's only 45 articles. And how about, yeah. And I could tighten up that range some more, but 2 years is pretty good. Affiliation means like professional organizations. Nice. Publication title, that makes sense. Publishers, conference location, that sort of thing. So I think just doing that one thing here, I mean, obviously it's going to drop our result numbers pretty hard. It told me, it's no surprise. There are only 45 journal articles. So that's pretty good. All these are full text. If you click on the abstract or the title, either one is going to take you to the same place. It won't take you to full text, but here's the abstract, and I always recommend reading those. The other cool thing you can do is search through a particular publication. So this paper appears in this publication, and I'll click on that and check it out. I can actually just kind of scroll through here and look at a particular volume page by page. So that's also something that databases are good for. I mean, obviously this conference here, Sustainable Energy from IEEE, is probably going to meet a lot of your needs. So take some time to browse just like you would in a physical library. Like if you had a print version of that article, you might want to take a moment and flip through the whole journal to find other stuff that's related, right? So that's it for this database. I told you that would be fast, under 5 minutes. Hooray.